Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Stevenson Lindor back again with another video. This time, I'm going to be talking about two special coins. I actually mentioned it on my last video. I got a lot of feedback. A lot of people actually were inboxing me, sending me emails, messages on IG talking about, yo, can you talk more about crypto? Some of the plays that you mentioned, I'm super excited about. I'm a part of this project, that project, but why particular, like the gaming industry. And I'm going to talk about two coins here. Atari. All right, Atari, I'm really passionate about Atari. You guys will understand why. And then also I want to talk about MetaHero. All right, MetaHero I think is also another gem, a huge one that has massive upside potential. All right, first things first, I want to clear a couple things. All right, I had a lot of people in my comments, and I know it's a part of the game. I actually don't really pay too much attention to, you know, the spammers and, you know, people, everybody's going to have their opinion, especially on social media. That's just part of the game. All right. Now, there was a big thing. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, Shibu and da, 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 da. All right, guys, all I said, all right. And as you can see, I got Kishu here and I'm going to bring up Shibu in a second. All I said was, listen, you have to be careful with meme coins. The reality is this, you have to be careful with any time you're investing money. All right, it's risky. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed, guys. It doesn't matter. It can be the most surefire play. Nothing is guaranteed. So you got to be careful. So when I say don't follow hype, be careful with hype, is because if you follow hype like this rally to the upside that happened in October, guess what? You start buying at these levels, right? You understand. The people with the big bag, the people that made all this money on this bullish up move right here, this is where they're selling, and then you get hit with that pullback. Why do you think it's so quiet on social media? Right? Last month, you couldn't go nowhere. You couldn't wake up without everybody talking about Shibu, everybody talking about Kishu, and oh my God, I'm about to be a billionaire, and this, that, and the third. And then here comes this crazy pullback. Right? And that's why I teach so much on understanding charts, guys. See, one thing you're going to learn on my channel, especially for those who are brand new, I don't just analyze coins, right? Like so many other people do. They just go on coin market or, you know, any other site, look at the coin and just say, oh man, this has massive upside potential, market cap, $1 billion, 100 million or whatever. Look how much supply is it circulating right now. Yes, all of that factors. Yes, all of that matters. And you want to calculate that when you're evaluating a coin. Absolutely, 100%. All right. And I'm not going to say that hype, you do need it in a sense, right? Because if people are not excited about a project, why would people invest in it? But all I'm saying is make sure whatever you're looking at has real utility behind it, has a real purpose. A lot of these meme coins are just that. They're just meme coins. So like Shibu, Kishu, when they came out, they were just meme coins. All right. Now they're starting to have projects behind it. Now they're starting to have utility behind it. So that's all I was saying. So because I had so many people hit me up, yo, you should look at Shibu. It's doing this, working on this project. You don't know what you're talking about. I have it going long. I'm just down right now. Listen. It's better to put fundamentals, basically the stuff that you hear on the news, on social media, what you, again, reading on CoinMarketCap or wherever you're getting your source from, right? Perfect. Combine it with technical analysis, being able to read the chart, right? So when you put 2 and 2 together, you have a better assessment of why you're going to jump in the market. You see, there was a reason why I said this, and I said this on my last video. Specifically said, I said, guys, this was a terrible time to buy Kishu and Shiba. Now, after this pullback right here, after price broke structure, now it's retesting. This would be an ideal area to start buying. Even if it was to drop some more, I'd rather start buying here, investing here, than up here. Look at, guys, remember, you got buyers and sellers in the market. Imagine the millions of people that started buying up here, right? So the last 30 days has not been fun for them. They're looking at their wallet and they're just like, what the hell is going on? All right. So this is what I say, guys, be careful following hype. All right. Do your due diligence. Look up the coin. Don't just take, even myself, don't just take what I'm telling you, right? Go do your research, back test it. Make sure it's in conjunction with, of course, your beliefs, but your reasoning, right? Your analysis as well. That's all I'm saying. So I'm right now, I put in some money in Kishu. I said, all right, do I wholeheartedly believe it like the millions out there? Not really, right? I think there's better projects out there, but I like where price is at right now. I like where price is at right now, and I can see a nice move to the upside, right? It's definitely going to break this previous high. Shibu has the same situation. SHIB has the same situation, right? It's actually already starting to make its move. I'm actually already in profit on my investment. First time I got in SHIB, and I got in down here, right? I got my impulse, I got my correction, then I got my continuation. Here's my correction. Now, just like Kishu, this is an ideal area to go long. Expecting price to break this top again. By then, I will have double, triple, potentially quadruple my investment. All right, that's all I'm saying. All right, so that's that. Now, on to something that I'm really excited about, okay, which is Atari. Guys, Atari is building its own metaverse, all right, called the Alphaverse, all right? So for those who don't know, so Atari is a gaming company, right? They've been around 4 years, all right? As you can see, Atari Corporation from 1984, they've been around 4 years, and they finally decided to get in the metaverse, right? So they're gonna build their own metaverse, all right? We're gonna go to Coin Market, and what I like about it, and I explained a little bit about the coin on my last video. Right now, it's okay, it's around 15 cents, all right? Still undervalued, guys, still major undervalued right now, all right? So we got a market cap, guys, not even $1 billion, 134. 134, right? Circulating supply. Guys, this is something you should look into, because I compare this something like Decentraland, Mana, right? Mana's around $4. All right, Mana's around $4, went to a high of close to 6. And you gotta look at Mana, over $8 billion, right? Circulating supply, 1.82 billion, all right? So when you look at Atari token, this has the same potential to do exactly what Mana did, all right? The same potential. When I see that market cap, oh my God, massive, huge room to grow, all right? So for those who don't know, the whole purpose of Atari, again, so Atari is building its own metaverse, and I want you guys to check this out. I was actually on this right before I did this, decided to do this call, right? So check this out, right? Much more than just video games, right? The projects behind it is huge, it's massive. Like I said, they're building their own metaverse. One of the things that I like is not only the video games, right? Smart contracts, all of that stuff, but, right, they also have their own casino, which I think is really dope. So if we go to the Alphaverse, right, it's gonna fully open in the summer of 2022. You can register so you can stay up to date with all the news, all right? Check this out, right? Dave Guetta, he's already building his own, right, metaverse, inside Alphaverse, right? Buying property, land, all that good stuff. But I want y'all to check this out. All right. Start buying land already. Start buying buildings, properties. I can't wait till this launch. I definitely can't wait till this launch. But check this out. I was actually doing this just a little while ago, right? I said, you know what? Let me get ahead of the game. So as you guys already know, OpenSea, this is where you pretty much go, buy any NFT projects that you want, art, music, so on and so forth. Created an account. And I said, you know what? Let me get ahead of the curve and start investing in this. Just like Mana, guys, just like the central land. For the people that stayed ahead of the curve and started buying property, started land, they're already becoming millionaires. I showed you the article the other day, right? Digital land in the metaverse sold for $2.4 million. I think I saw another article. There was another land sold for around the same thing. So it's getting crazy. So when I saw Alphaverse, I said, oh my God, this is another opportunity to do the exact same thing, to be ahead of the trend. Before this really hits the masses, boom. At the pre-sale, start buying some property. So I loaded up my wallet, right? Put in some funds there. And now, guess what? You can start buying some units, right? Obviously, you're gonna need some Ethereum, right? Ethereum on Polygon. So you're gonna have to connect your wallet and then transfer over some Ethereum. And then that's how you can buy some of these, you know, these units over here. And again, guys, you want to really start thinking about this because this is going to become the norm. All right. When I say it's going to become the norm, this is going to become the norm, right? Boom. Check this out. So got this right here, 115 bucks. You'd be surprised, a small investment like this, how it can double, triple, 10x within the next 6-12 months. Honestly, guys, when you start buying, for my investors out there, you start buying some of these, you know, land, some of these property, I'm seeing it. And don't get me wrong, shout out to all those people who are making a shit ton of money. I got some friends that, you know, bought some property, some land, some units for, let's say, you know, $1,000, 500 bucks, 800 bucks, 300 bucks. And they've, you know, quadrupled their investment, right? They've quadrupled their investment. That's good. But my advice, try to hold on to these things as long as possible, right? So if you buy this right now, and let's say a week later, it's worth $500 and somebody offers it to you, all right, that's good. But imagine where it's going to be instead of a week from now, a month from now, 2 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, right? Just like in the real world, what happens with property over time, right? Value goes up, all right? So especially with this metaverse, especially with everything going on, guys, you try to hold on to this as long as possible. That's where you're really gonna make your bang, all right? That's where you're gonna really make that profit. So if I wanted to make an offer just to show you guys, boom, make an offer here, yada, yada. So this is boom, boom, boom. Wait, what was the offer again? 0.02. All right, so I gotta either match that or beat that. 0 to 8. I'll do 2 9. There we go. Make an offer. Gonna expire in 3 days. Voila. Sign message. Sign. As you can see, your offer was submitted successfully. There you go. So then I'll get notified, as you can see, because I put up 134. So if they accept it and then we agree to it, I just purchased my first hub building, number 9, unit 4809 on the Alphaverse. All right. And again, what I think is dope, not only getting land, but like I said, I really can't wait till this opens up because this is about to be dope. Again, Atari's been around for 50 years, right? You got the flats, this is really gonna be a game changer when you get to buy the houses and then the buildings. Ooh, the buildings. All right. So for my investors out there, you got that capital, same thing, just like on the central land, get to do it over here. So like I said, if I was you, I register, stay up to date with all the news when this opens up, summer of 2022, that's right around the corner. All right, guys, this is the future. All right, this is the future. You start buying some buildings in the metaverse, you hold that bad boy, woof, right? And that's why I truly believe Atari token is gonna go to the moon. All right, it's creating its own metaverse, right? That's calling it the Alphaverse, right? Gonna need some Atari tokens, obviously, to purchase items in that metaverse, and then price is gonna rise, man. I see this really going over like $5-10 easily, $5-10. So again, you do the math. You know, I like to always bring out my calculator for you guys. Let's do the math real quick. Right? So you're trying to get as many coins as possible, but let's say you take 5,000, for example, right? Divide that by current price, 15. It's going to give you 33,000 coins. This thing goes to $5-10 easily. Look at that, man. Easily. All right. You just turn a 5K investment to over 100 grand. All right. You can't lose with that. So you play with the numbers. The more you grab of this, the more money you make. All right. So that's Atari token. Okay. So the next token, Meta Hero. All right. And I'm super excited with Meta Hero because, man, the things that they're about to do, game changer. So again, just about $1 billion in market cap. All right. Circulating supply, right, about 4.9 billion. And then if we look over here, all right, so Meta Hero is going to bring a lot to the game, man. Matter of fact, let's go to the website. I want you guys to see this real quick.
WDW have partnered to create a gateway into the metaverse, introducing the next 10 million users to cryptocurrency, opening the metaverse to the entire world. Interact, work, socialize, invest, purchase, and earn. Gaming, fashion, medicine, NFTs, social media, VR, AR, all with the Hero token, increasing your digital value and creating new revenue streams in both worlds. At 7 meters high and a 6 meter circumference, our spherical chamber allows 200 Sony A7 Riva cameras to simultaneously capture the highest quality 8 to 16K render on the planet, creating the most photorealistic 3D.
Guys, isn't that dope? Like, no, seriously, isn't that dope? Like, that's absolutely amazing. All right. That's absolutely amazing. Like, that's a game changer right there. So basically, for those who don't understand what just took place, so Meta Hero is basically bringing meta scanning technology to the metaverse. All right. So for those who don't know, so the whole purpose is 3D scanning technology. So imagine scanning like your car. Let's say you got a BMW. Lexus or whatever, Toyota, whatever. You can scan that and bring that into the metaverse. That's dope. You can scan yourself. And then boom, instead of using avatar, you're in the metaverse. That is absolutely dope. All right, guys, that's dope. I don't know where else, I don't know who else is doing something like that. Like, that's just really, really dope. So it's gonna allow you to just, you know, scan whatever's in reality, bring it into the metaverse on top of participating in game and so much more. I just think that's absolutely dope. Like, that right there, to me, that's a game changer. Plus, they're going to come out with their own app, right? Got their own coin. So I see this shooting to the moon. I see this absolutely shooting to the moon, and very undervalued right now, 21 cents, right? I told you guys, I'm going to bring you the most undervalued coins. Right, we're gonna look at them, we're gonna evaluate them, and then we're gonna see if, like, all right, if this really has a real purpose, and I think it does, absolutely. For everything that the metaverse is bringing to the table, 100%. Like, who wouldn't want to do that, right? So again, 21 cent, you can't beat that absolute game changer. So you got Atari token with the Alphaverse. You just guys literally saw me submit, right, for one of those hubs there. And then you got Meta Hero with the 3D scanning, with the gaming, with the, you know, social media, with just bringing everything, right? You got the VR, online fashion, right? So that's just a game changer right there. So 2 coins that are about to really change the game in the metaverse, all right? So I'm super excited about that. Again, guys, just be careful when you're out there and you're trading and you're investing. Make sure you do your due diligence, right? Don't go out there blindly. Don't go out there and just think this coin is gonna pop just because it's gonna pop, right? Like, make sure it makes sense, all right? So I wanted to keep this video short. I didn't want to go over too much. Next video, we'll do more technical analysis. I still got my Forex traders, my Forex followers right there. I got a video for you, but I really wanted to come out here and just, you know, clear some things up, let you know, about that gaming sector, why I believe it's going to be an absolute game changer. So any game coins you guys see out there that has real purpose and value, you definitely want to look at it, see how it's really going to serve, right? These metaverses bring some real utility to the forefront, and, you know, how you can pretty much just take your capital and basically double, triple, 10x it, right? Like so many of these other coins. So that's pretty much it, guys. As always, I always forget to say this, right? Make sure you like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe, right? The more subscribers we get, the bigger this channel will grow, and we're going to bring more awareness to the forefront. But as always, guys, love and appreciate you. If you want to stay up to date, join the Telegram by hitting the link in the below, right in the description. Sorry, I lost my words. In the description below, click that, become part of the Wall Street family community. And then if you want to really get plugged in and up to date on all these coins that I'm looking at and what the future holds, because guys, there's just so much going on right now. All of this can't be covered on one thing, right? So I just basically showed you guys how to submit an offer on OpenSea for one of these hubs, right? Which is going to be a normal thing. And then next one, I'll probably show you guys how you can 10x your capital through KuCoin, or open up a bond and put your money. Well, guys, there's so many things that we can do here, how we can make money. I'm super excited for 2022, man. So as always, stay blessed, stay grateful, stay humble. I'll see you guys all on the next call.